A House Between Two Walnuts by KAV Architects in Iran. At the beginning of the project, and with a thorough examination from a geographical and cultural perspective, we faced challenges that included the following: 1. The presence of two old walnut trees on the site. 2. Traditional family interaction with a more updated and modern member. Given these challenges, the key project questions were formed based on the following topics. How can we preserve the old walnut trees while enhancing and sustaining life in their vicinity? How can we create a house suitable for two generations as a place for relaxation and living? The walnuts were the most valuable elements on our site. Therefore, we positioned the building mass between these two trees. The transparency of the building increases alongside the trees to the extent that the space reaches a state of both inside and outside. The volume of the building is drawn along the axis of the walnut trees, and the planes extend like arms to embrace the tree. These arms form the entrance space alongside the southern walnut tree. To enhance the connection with the walnuts, we created a higher level to touch the trunk and the branches, leaves, and fruits. This new courtyard at the rooftop level serves as a place to walk from one walnut to another, from one shade to another. Thus, not only a house between two walnuts but also a courtyard between the two emerged. Furthermore, life in the house was divided into two distinct and transparent sections. Private spaces, except for the daughter's room with a modern perspective, are situated in the solid part. Transparent life in the public realm happens with expansive views outward, while solid life in the private realm occurs with enclosed views. Different materials were used in both sections to strengthen this contrast: stone in the solid section and cement and glass in the transparent section.